people said that as a rumor. Right, so sorry about that, guys. I was just talking. Whispering mostly because I didn't really want to make my video like that, so. I never do want to make my video back. There's some of these things that are really cool, but these look like rares. I'm pretty sure that's why people say there's rares here and blah blah blah, but there's not actually really rares, so. It's very hard. I'll tell you what is a rare though, in this part. This is a rare, I'm gonna I think I have the right thing now. Yeah, this is a rare. It definitely is, so. Yeah, and this is the one beside it. So we have I don't think we have any rares here, but they absolutely look like rares. So, yeah, that's definitely kind of rares. Yeah, that hat's a rare as well, so. Oopsies, I just went really far. So, I gave you basically a sneak. Oh my gosh, there's the mustache, guys. Do never buy it. Last time I bought it, I went on my account and everything I had on me was mustaches. And I didn't do it, so basically someone hacked me. They have my password, I don't know how they got it. So, yeah. I always say so, yeah, well, see, I said it again. So, yeah. It's telling you, So, I'm doing this video because it's near Christmas and I haven't done an MSP video, so, yeah. Looks like a really good theme, and when I see it, I definitely, that is very cheap, but it's not a rare. Because like you see it everywhere and everybody's wearing it, like it's not a rare, okay? I might buy this for like Christmas, so I might buy it. Earmuffs, it's fine. Looks pretty cute with the eyes. That skirt, I think, is a rare. No, I don't think it is. So, look at all these crazy hairstyles. And they're so weird. Look at all these, and the hair's pretty. Look at all these. So, yeah. There's nothing really I like in these because, like, it's definitely crazy hair. So, we have this one. Sorry. Okay, so I have that again. No, sorry. So, why did I say so yeah again? Why did I say it so many times? Ooh, that looks nice. I took a really big step because I was getting bored of looking in the mirror. That looks really cute. It's, what's it called again? It's Violet Flavor, like, she's doing it. Is he seeing me right now, guys? You're such a good designer, like, he's really good design. Okay, so let's buy this, because I don't have a lot of money. Hi, just don't read there. The shined. Okay, so, let's see on. That's my winter shopping basically on. Oh, my winter shopping done. Well, almost.